We're at the finish line of Dakar 2022, somewhere in Saudi Arabia, not far from Jeddah, and Alex Pesci and Stephan brought the Rebellion Racing DXX across the line moments ago for a finish in a long, arduous trek, over 8,000 kilometers, 5,000 miles plus, smooth sailing in this final round, but that's not how it went. In the test, after just 20 minutes of running, Alex's car burned to the ground. It looked like it was over. We borrowed a Toyota for Romain Dumas. The Toyota only lasted 2 stages. Alex was running good. Then he broke an axle. Then he broke a suspension arm. Then he broke an output shaft from the transmission. This is only by stage 5. Middle of the race was tough. He had to endure a 200-kilometer tow behind Rebellion's service truck to stay in the rally. So they were committed. Imagine being on a strap across the desert for 120 miles, 200 kilometers. But then, halfway point on, the car came together. Alex found the rhythm. I don't know. It was smooth sailing the rest of the way to the finish, through that tricky 9th stage that made him nervous. And here we are, a success. A finish in the Dakar is an amazing accomplishment. Getting any race car to last that long under these conditions, including an almost dust storm here at the finish line in Saudi Arabia, Dakar 2022. Thanks for coming along.